Welcome to the Central School of English Stage 8 video series. In this video, we will learn how to use the verb wish to communicate the idea that we would like things to be different. We use the verb wish to communicate that we would like things to be different. If we want to communicate that we would like things to be different now, or in general, we use the verb wish plus the past tense. For example, if it is a cloudy day and you would like the weather to be different, you might say, I wish it was a sunny day today. In this sentence, we used the verb wish plus the past simple, even though we were speaking about a situation in the present. If you don't like your job and would like to change, you might say, I wish I worked in a better job now. We use the verb wish plus the past to communicate that we would like a present situation to change. If you are unhappy with your level of English and you would like this to be different, you might say, I wish I spoke fluent English now. Using wish plus the past, you are communicating that you are unhappy with your level of English. If you want to speak about a situation in the past that you would like to be different, you can use the verb wish plus the past perfect or past perfect continuous tenses. For example, if you didn't take an umbrella this morning and it is raining, you might say, I wish I'd taken an umbrella. If you had an exam last week that you failed, you might say, I wish I'd studied for my exam. If you had to work late to finish a project, you might say, I wish I'd finished my work earlier. We use the verb wish with would to communicate the idea that we are irritated or annoyed with a person and we would like that person to change. For example, I wish my housemate would pay his rent on time. In this sentence, the speaker is communicating that they are annoyed with their housemate because this housemate does not pay rent on time. The speaker wishes that this would change. Susan wishes John wouldn't leave dirty plates in the sink. In this sentence, Susan is irritated with John's behavior. John leaves dirty plates in the kitchen sink and this irritates Susan. She would like John's behavior to change. Anne's parents wish she would study harder in school. In this sentence, Anne's parents are irritated with her behavior. They would like her behavior to change. They'd like her to study more. We also use the verb wish with to plus the infinitive in very formal situations. This structure has the meaning I want to or I would like to. For example, I wish to speak to the manager means I would like to speak to the manager. I wish to make a complaint means I would like to make a complaint. I wish to go now means I would like to go now. In this video, we have practiced many different uses of the verb wish. We learned that we use the verb wish plus the past simple to communicate that there is something in the present that we would like to change or be different. We also learned that we use the verb wish plus the past perfect tense or the past perfect continuous tense to communicate that we would like to change something about the past. We learned that we use the verb wish with the verb would to communicate that we are irritated or annoyed with a person and we would like them to change. Finally, we learned that we use the verb wish with the infinitive plus to communicate that we would like to do something. This video was brought to you by the Central School of English, an English school in Dublin. For more lessons, visit centralschool.ie.